Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Josh with Comfy Stone, and today I'll be discussing whether horizontal or vertical video is better for your video marketing campaign. Whether it's horizontal or vertical, it's all about where you'll be posting the video. Each online video platform allows for different aspect ratios, or width and height sizes for videos to be published. For example, YouTube's allowed aspect ratio is 16:9, which is horizontal, while Instagram stories allow for an aspect ratio of 9:16, which is vertical. Before you start filming, you should consider utilizing the full range of space the platform you're posting to provides. This will maximize your video size, which will optimize their potential to stand out in the sea of other video content. The most common mistake we see people make is posting horizontal or vertical content to a platform not suited for the format, such as posting a vertical video on YouTube. In this case, there won't be enough video to fill the entire space provided, resulting in black bars seen on the sides. This will look jarring and unprofessional. You might think the solution is to zoom in closer to the image to remove the black bars. While this solves the above issue, it usually crops a little too much into the video, resulting in a tight and distorted looking image. Our solution to both is to plan your videos properly. Before filming, establish the images you want in both horizontal and vertical formats, and then film accordingly. When it comes down to choosing between shooting your videos vertically, horizontally, or both, depends on how many platforms you're posting videos to. If you're just producing TikTok videos and Instagram stories, then obviously you just want to stick with vertical and not even bother with horizontal. But most of us are probably posting our content to several platforms. In this case, you want to think about filming in both formats. This means that you either film each shot twice in each format, or make sure there's plenty of space in the frame for you to crop in. It takes planning and maybe some trial and error to get the framing right, but publishing your content to its fullest potential can make a huge difference in your video marketing. And that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks to come. Until next time, keep making videos.